Hi guys, welcome back to my channel today. Today is a super exciting video because finally my Jeffree Star Mystery Box has arrived and I'm going to be unboxing it with you on camera. It feels like this thing took forever to arrive, it really does. Phoebe, come sit! Come sit with me! Come sit! Come sit with me! Yeah? Come sit with me. Sit down. Yeah, sit there. That's, yes, good. Oh, good girl. We're gonna open this. Look at this. What's in here? We're gonna open it. Yeah. Yeah, we are. Alright, so I picked up the Deluxe Mystery Box. I haven't picked up anything from Jeffree Star in a very long time, so I thought this was the perfect opportunity to finally grab something from his website. I really love Jeffree Star products, so I'm really excited to find out what's in this box. Phoebe just stole a sock right in front of me. What are you doing? You can't steal a sock. Are you stealing my socks? She loves socks. Thank you. You guys can't see this. Socks are her favorite thing ever. Alright, Phoebe, we're gonna open this. Are you ready? We're gonna open this one. Yeah. Alright, 3 things I'm hoping for. Number 1, I really want a t-shirt that says, "Can't relate." Love that saying. You forgot my sock, Phoebe. The second thing I'd really love is a star mirror because I don't own any of them yet and I really want to. And the third thing I'd really love is one of the Supreme highlighters. I think that's what they're called. One of the newest ones called Diamond Wet, that shade I am dying for. One of the 3 things that I don't want is I don't want any duplicate lipsticks, I don't want any powder skin frost, and I don't want the shirt that says "Hi, how are ya?" I don't think my family would appreciate that one, but I'd still wear it, it's fine, you know, no shame here, okay? It's fine. Oh my god, I'm so nervous. Are you excited? Careful. Are you ready? Yeah. Okay, oh my god. Okay, I don't want to look. What is it? Oh my god. Oh, it's good. It's so good. I'm happy already, oh my god. It's so hard to disappoint me though, honestly it is. What's in here? Can you see it? I've wanted a lip scrub for so long now. What flavor did we get? Phoebe, no darling, this isn't a toy. It's not, you can have the box. Okay, hang on, you can have the box. So we got I didn't realize we were sharing. So I got the rainbow sorbet. Oh my gosh, it's our favorite, baby. Is that gonna be our favorite? Okay, let me open it first. Okay, just be patient. You can have the box. Be patient. This is it here. Sit, sit, sit. Good girl. Ready? You can have the box. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited for this. Oh, it looks good. Okay, here you go. You can have the box. There you go. Bye-bye. She's gonna destroy the box right in front of me. Oh, I haven't got a lip scrub. I've always wanted one, so this is great. Should I open it? Yeah, I'm just gonna open it. I just dunked my nose in it. Oh my gosh, it's so good. Oh my god. This is good, this is good. Money, honey, I got a Supreme Frost. Oh, that's what I wanted so bad. I was hoping for Diamond Wet, but this is perfect. This is okay. Oh my gosh, look at that color. I don't own any of these. So this is the shade Money Honey. Oh my god. I can't believe I got a Supreme Frost. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. I'm creasing. That is so pretty. Look at that. That is so pretty. I love it. It's so cool. This is awesome. Very happy. Are you happy? I think she's happy as well. Oh no, you can't chew this one. Let me sit them up there just in case. Okay, what else did we get? What's this? A PopSocket. I don't own a PopSocket actually. I've always wanted one because my fingers are so small. I got a Jeffree Star PopSocket. This is great. She's gonna sit right there and chew her toy. So I will be using this. That's good. A metal straw. Yes, I have so many metal straws. All about saving the environment. Sorry, she's really noisy down there. She's living her best life. And it's pink. I love pink, so this is good. A Jeffree Star straw. It's gonna be my most iconic straw in my kitchen. What else did we get? What's this? Oh, a lip liner. I don't have one of his lip liners either. In Leo. I don't own any of his lip liners and they are so pretty. His packaging is always insane. Okay, so this is the lip liner. So pretty. Pop it open. That is the color. It's a brown shade. So pretty. What else do we get? I can't even remember how many items I'm meant to get in here. Okay, this is the mystery shade. Honestly, I have not watched any unboxings, any reviews, any drama videos relating to this because I really wanted to surprise myself. And this is the mystery lipstick. I'm so surprised I haven't seen anything leaked, to be honest. I've done really well to dodge any of it. Oh my god. It's such a pretty color. It is such a pretty color. Oh my gosh. I don't even think it was closed properly. It's so pretty. Okay, I'm getting hot in here, okay? It's getting real hot in here. Oh, that is such an insane color. It looks a lot more wearable in the tube. When you swatch it, it seems a whole lot brighter. That's cool. I do love this. Oh my god, this is so good. What did I get? Okay, I got another velour I can't even speak, I'm so excited. I got another velour liquid lipstick in the shade, I don't know how to say it, Ponsantia? She's still living her best life over there with that box. Oh, this is nice. This is what it looks like. It's like a real shimmery sort of metallic lip, I think. Let's swatch it. This is good. I don't own any of this stuff, so I'm stoked. All right, that's really pretty. Okay, the next thing is in this box. Diva? Oh, Diva. Oh, this is beautiful. Oh my god, girl. I am just getting all the best things in this video. Oh my god. This is such a pretty shade. This is intense. Whoa. She bright. She definitely a diva. Oh, diva. All right, the next one is Celebrity Skin. Why does it look different packaging? Yes, I have this Celebrity Skin. I have this and I love this. Mannequin's probably my favorite, but Celebrity Skin, I do have this, and that's okay because it's a shade I do love. So I'm just gonna keep that in its box for now. And the t-shirt. Alright, the t-shirt I got, well, okay, thankfully it's not Hi, how are ya? But unfortunately, it's not Can't Relate. Oh my god, that's cute. Is the Hi, how are ya? Oh my god. Oh my god. It's not the bad one that says, it's the good one. You know, okay, so I saw this at the front. I was like, this is so cute, alright, and then look at the back. This is okay. It's not spelled like H-I-G-H, you know, so this is cool. I like this. That was the one I was worried about. Oh my god, that's so funny. I love this. Yellow is my favorite color too, so this is perfect. It's already getting fur all over it from my jumper. I love it. It's yellow. So Jeffree Star, so iconic. I'm very happy. Okay, overall my thoughts. I'm very happy. Did you just huff at me? Were you happy with yours? Were you happy? Were you happy with yours? Yeah? Thank you for being here. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Thank you. Oh my gosh, I can't believe everything good that we got. Okay, so we got 4 liquid lipsticks, 1 lip scrub, one Supreme Frost, which is what I wanted, a lip liner. I can't hold all of this. A metal straw and a PopSocket and a t-shirt. I'm so happy. I really do love it. I always get worried with mystery boxes. That's why this is my first one I've ever picked up. I love surprises, so this is perfect. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this quick unboxing, and I'll see you guys in my next video. I tried it on. Oh my god, yes, this is good. This is very good. Oh my god. Oh, they do taste really good. No, you can't have any. Absolutely not. Oh my god. That was really good.